Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Xero users, great to have you back on the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to start creating invoices in 2024 on Xero. Whether you are a business owner or an accountant, Xero offers powerful tools for your invoicing needs. Join me as I navigate through the interface and the key features. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So, the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to simply head up to xero.com. As you can see right here, simply just click on the website. So here it is, even right here. So if you didn't see it, here it is. So after you go to this website, you have to simply log in. So simply just head up right here and log in into your account on Xero. So let me just create an account real quick for you. If you don't have an account, simply just try Xero by clicking on this button right here, and you will be able to create an account on Xero. So you will be finding an email on your Gmail. So here we go. Something around that will be your email, so confirm your email address, etc. So the same thing for me is just I'm going to click on forgot password to get my account password back. So here we go, the email must be sent to me, so I'm going to refresh this page, and here it is. Click on here, and here I'm going to simply choose a password. So let's try this password, then I'm going to confirm it right here and reset password successfully. So I'm going to save it, back to login, but here my email, I'm going to copy it right through here, and I'm going to paste this email here and log in to my account on Xero. So now after I logged into my account and I am now on my dashboard, I have to create an organization. Simply click on add an organization, and from here you simply have to give it a business name. So here I'm going to choose the name, which is Titan Ltd. Industry, I'm going to choose, for example, design or arts and design. Here country, let's choose, for example, anything. Let's keep it as Spain. Here the last day of your financial year, it's here 31 December, and you have employees, not just me, and then start trial. As you can see, we have created our organization on Xero successfully. So now we have to start working through the actual dashboard. So here, as you can see in this specific video, we are going to talk about invoices. So simply here we are going to create an online invoice. So click here to create and customize your first invoice, as you can see. And now as you can see, on 20 September this version of invoice will be retired, so switch to new version. Let's switch to it, and we are going to start using now the new invoice. So there is something different about how where this Xero account was accessed. You want to be able to access your invoices, and so you verify your account. So we have to verify our account, so they're gonna send an email to us in Gmail. Here we go, confirm login, it was me. And yeah, so now after I refresh, yep, here we go. So this version of invoice, as they have said, it is the old one. You can switch to the new one by clicking on that button. So this is the new one basically, which is pretty much better than the old one. So let's start going through this platform. First thing is in here in this invoice, here you have new invoice, add contact, etc. So the first thing that comes to mind is to whom are we going to send this invoice. So here you must add a new contact. Simply just type whatever letter and then click on add contact, and here give it a name. So here let's add the customer name. For example, I'm going to name it, for example, Apple. We are contacting Apple. Here the email, let's name it apple.support.com, and simply here I'm just gonna keep it as it is for now. So we are now contacting Apple. Here the issue date and the due date is gonna be, for example, end of the next month. Let's do that. And here the invoice number, make sure to keep it on track with your oldest like invoices. For example, let's say that you were using QuickBooks and the number of invoices on QuickBooks was up to 200, then I recommend you here to change this to 201 so you can keep tracking with your oldest invoices. Here, if there is any referencer code you want to give it to this invoice, for example, since it is for Apple, then it's gonna be Apple 001, for example, if it is the first invoice. So you can give it a name which is A0001. The currency here, I'm going to search, for example, for dollar USD. So let's search for the United States dollar, and here the taxes exclusive. Let's add to be inclusive. Here I'm going to add an item. So here to add an item, which is basically what you are going to sell to Apple, simply just click here, click on create a new item, and you will be able to create items. So here we are going to give it a code, for example PXC1. Basically here we are selling, for example, I don't know, what can we give them to Apple? GPUs. Okay, sale price basically 100 or $25. Sales account, let's give it this one, text on sales, save, and yeah, let's give it that. So for example, the quantity that Apple has bought from us is around 200k pieces, so, or 20k pieces of the GPUs, which comes to a total of $500k. Here, as you can see, you can literally add new things. So here you can go to the invoice settings, and you can literally add, for example, here your company logo, show some stuff from these options, so you can go and edit. So what do you want to show in your invoice? For example, hide discounts, show discounts. Basically you can edit literally everything here, payment service, show currency conversion, tax, everything here you can add by going to the settings. So for me here, this is basically it for now. I can, if there is no tax, I will keep it like that. If there is any task to add, I will keep it like so. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is. If there is any online payments, I'm going to add it here, but for now, I'm not going to add. If you would like to add any attached files, you can simply click here and upload these files. And simply now, all you need to do is to head up to approve an email, and just like that, you have to add the just like that, you will be sending the invoice to your Apple like customer, and by clicking on this link, they will be able to actually view this invoice and get ready to pay you when the due time arrives, or the due date arrives to get paid. So yeah guys, that was basically it. This is how you can create your invoice on Xero. It is pretty simple, pretty easy, nothing complicated about it. Everything is just pretty much straightforward. So guys, if you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.